you guys, and today I'm gonna be doing unboxing this Blackpink album. Can I see it? Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing my first K-pop album. So
let's go ahead and start with cutting open the box. It just came in the mail, you guys. Okay, it just came in the mail today, you guys. So hopefully I'm not booty. No, I got it. Can you see me doing this? I really don't want to do a lot of editing. No, I'm just gonna listen. Okay, you guys, ultimate review. I'm scared. Look at it, what do you see? Okay. Okay, you guys, here's it. Oh my god, here it is. Can you see it?
can you see it?
Oh my god. Mama, I'm recording a video. You talking. I'm not your voice things. Oh my god, look at it. It says the album. I'm recording.
Listen,
I want to see this. Come here.
oh my gosh, how does this slide out? Wait, so
Yeah.
just go like this. How do I? Oh, like this. Look, Demi. Whoa. Look, Demi. Jisoo. Oh my god. Look, Demi. And here's the CD. I'm trying to take everything out for y'all, okay? Okay, here's the CD right here. There's nothing in here. There's just the CD, okay? Okay, that's the CD. Okay, so let's see what this is. This is probably just credits. Is this just credits? Hold on. Oh, Demon, look at the poster! Okay, you guys, here's the poster.
That's a short poster.
It's fine the way it is. Oh my god, I love it. And here's the Blackpink, the album here.
This ain't no
Okay, now let's see what this is.
that autograph?
Oh, this is photo cards and goodies. That I'm saying that for last. Okay, let's see what this is, okay? No, don't. I don't want you to see that. Wait till I see.
Huh? The cake?
Okay, so let's see what this is, you guys. So what is this?
Let me see in here.
This is a photo book, I think.
Let me
No.
see.
Let me see it first.
Did you already look at this?
No. That's just the CD and that's the... How do you put it over here on the floor like that? Like
You did this, so don't come
you
for
did
me
it.
first.
Okay. 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 Can they still see me?
Yeah, they
Oh my god. You guys see Jisoo? Oh my god. Look at Jinny.
Hold on.
Oh my god. Look at Lisa. Oh, and Rose. Do you guys see this?
ma'am.
Oh my god. Can y'all see that? Look at this. Y'all see that, don't you? Oh my god. That's gonna have to be my thumbnail. I don't know. Oh my god. What's on the back of it? Okay, here it says Jisoo the album.
Solid
Okay.
Now.
Give me that. And this one says Jenny. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Lisa, my bias, if you guys do not know, and Rose. Oh my god. We're gonna put this back in here. I'm about to cry. I'm so happy I got all
You need to
this.
come up. What?
Amy, I'm just putting this back in here. Can you put this back in here for me?
Nah.
No, because I'm trying to get this unboxing video as out as possible. Okay, so this is where all the goodies are, so I'm gonna wait this for last, okay? Oh my god, photo card just fell out. Oh my god. Okay, so this is probably credits. Okay, this is a photo book right here, you guys. So this is a photo book, as you guys can see. Lovely photos. I love it. Look at all these photos. I'm gonna just give y'all a quick flip book. Comment down below if you guys got the album. This is just a photo book. I'm gonna look some more through this later. Y'all see it's changing. So yeah, cause they're queens, so that's why I got the crown. Okay, this right here is where all the goodies are. A photo card fell out, but let's just start with opening everything out of here. So we have this. Oh my god, I got Rose. Okay, I have a group card right here. What is this? This says just YG printed in Korea. I can't open this. Okay. So I guess that's a group card. No, don't mess with it. Okay. What's this? Oh, this is a sticker, I think. Yeah, this right here is a sticker. Okay. Oh my god, we have a card of Lisa. I guess this is a photo card or something like that. And then we have one of Rose. Oh my god. And then we have one of, oh my god, look at this Jenny. My first photo card, you guys. And I got a sticker. Wait, so these not stickers? Okay. So yeah, let me get this together so I can get a good thumbnail. And let's see what this is. What is this? Okay, so this is Blackpink album credit. This is just all the credits, I guess. Yeah. So yeah, no thank you card or nothing, but it's fine. So let me get y'all a good thumbnail. Look at all this goodies. Look at all this. Look at that.